Hello and welcome back. In this video, I want us to take a look at our first numeric data type in Python called the integer data type. And from the previous video, you remember that variables help us to store or retrieve values from the computer's memory. And we also said that each variable is associated with a data type that determines the range of values that the variable can contain and also the type of operations that the variable can support. What I want you to take home from this video is that integers in Python are basically either negative or positive whole numbers. So whenever you're writing a program and there's the need to store either a positive or negative whole number, and a whole number means it has no decimal point in it, then you are dealing with an integer. Okay, so let's say I want to store the age of somebody. What I can do is I declare the variable by first of all stating the variable name, and your variable names have to be descriptive. So because I'm going to store age, I said age, okay, is equal to 99. What is happening here is I'm saying, hey computer, go into your memory, which is the RAM, and reserve a space, and in this space I want you to store the value 99. Now in a space where you have stored the value 99, I want you to refer to this space as age. So what it means is that as far as your program is concerned, when Python sees age, it is going to go to that memory location and read the value there and use it in place of whatever expression that you have. So on line 1, we are storing, but there are other things we can do with it, like retrieving and printing it out, which we will do in a moment. Let me show you how you can also store negative numbers, because I said integers store both positive and negative whole numbers. So let's say we have conducted an experiment and we have made a measurement, and our measurement, so I say measurement is equal to, let's say, negative 10. For whatever reason, we measured negative 10. So what is happening here on line 2 is I'm saying, hey computer, go into your memory, find a location and store the value negative 10. And in the place where you have stored this value negative 10, I want you to refer to this place as measurement. So once again, as far as this program is concerned, whenever Python sees measurement, it means it should go to that memory location and read the value that has been stored there. Okay, so now I want us to print them out. There are several things we can do once we have our variables created, but because of what we know so far, we are just going to print them. As we progress in this course, we will know how to do a lot more advanced things with the variables that we have created. So I'm just going to print age, and I'm also going to print measurement. So I'm going to save this, and then I will open the terminal to run this program. So I'll run Python. I'm using Python 3 here, integers.py, and you can see that indeed it prints age, and age is storing the value 99. That is why we are seeing 99. And I'm also printing measurement, which is storing the value negative 10. That is why we are seeing negative 10 here. So when Python saw age on line 4, it knew that it has to go to the memory location that is referred to as age and read the value there to be printed out. The same thing is happening for line 5. And there are some operators that you can apply to such data types. I mean, we have a dedicated video for that, but in this, I'm going to show you one thing at least you can add. So I can say print age plus 1. And what is going to happen here is that I'm asking Python to go into my RAM, the location referred to as age, read what is there, add 1 to it, and print it. So if I do this, you can see that it prints 100 and negative 10. 100 because age contains 99. We added 1 to it and we got 100. And the reason why adding 1 to 99 results in 100 is because the data type is an integer. Remember that the value you store in a variable is what determines the data type of that variable. So thank you very much for watching this, and I will see you in the next video where we talk about another numeric data type that is capable of storing numbers with decimal point. So see you soon.